Next up, please welcome the talented Aurdra, a bright and enthusiastic fourth grader at Academy of Exploration. Aurdra loves the journey of learning piano. When she's not tickling the ivories, you can find her drawing, playing outside, or spending quality time with friends and family. Aurdra is also a budding math and reading whiz. This year, Aurdra has been particularly excited to learn her Christmas solo, Where Are You, Christmas? Aurdra has mastered new skills like playing eighth notes, and we can't wait to hear her beautiful performance. So let's give Aurdra our full attention as she shares the holiday spirit with us all.